Once upon a time, a little girl named Goldilocks went for a walk in the forest. Oh, that's right. She's a big girl, Goldilocks, isn't she? Goldilocks came up to a house and, oh, yeah, there she is, and knocked on the door. Yeah, no one answered. They probably thought it was a giant transvestite at the door. Anyway, no one answered. So she walked right in. And, oh, good, yeah. And at the kitchen table, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Yeah. Good. She tasted the first bowl. Oh, this porridge is too hot, she exclaimed. Then the second bowl. This porridge is too cold. Yeah, okay. And she tasted the last bowl, and the porridge was just right, so she ate it all up. Yeah. I'm pretty sure she's a guy. Anyway, then Goldilocks skipped into the living room very femininely. And she saw 3 chairs. She sat in the first chair, it was too creaky. Oh, that's ingenious, using a creaky chair to make a creaky chair noise. Who would have thought that? Then she sat in the beanbag chair, which was too beanbaggy. Again, and then she sat in the third chair, which was just her size, and then it broke. Because she's, I told you she's a big girl. Goldilocks went upstairs to the bedrooms. She lay in the first bed, but it was too hard. Oh, yeah, right, good. And she went sailing as well, apparently. Then she lay on a water bed. No, but that felt weird, yeah, so... Then, here we go, let's move on a bit. Then the 3 bears came home. Yeah, they were wearing high-heel shoes as well. Yeah, the 3 bears came home, and they took off their boots and parkas then. Yeah, good, that'll work. Papa Bear checked his email. Very good. And then Mama Bear, when Mama Bear saw what popped up on the screen, she dropped her honey jar. Wow. Then Baby Bear said, "Everybody come here. Somebody's been eating our porridge." Papa Bear pulled out a carving knife out of the butcher block. Oh, yeah, now it's getting scary. And they went upstairs where they found Goldilocks, and Mama Bear maced her. All right. Yeah. But then Goldilocks, an expert in Taekwondo, fought back. Yeah, yes. Taekwondo, the ancient Japanese art of beanbag fighting. Then she broke free, ran down the stairs, out the front door, where she found a horse. Yeah, no, I would have preferred coconuts, actually, to be quite honest. You got coconuts? All right, okay. Goldilocks found a 6-legged horse. She jumped on the horse, galloped away, but she turned to look back at the bear's place. She smacked into a beautiful oak tree. Oh. And then that was it. That's enough of that. Yeah, so, Jeff Mulhoy and Jim Moran, everybody. Goldilocks and the 3 bears. We'll be right back.